Governor Cuomo believes new hospitalizations have plateaued. Now, we do have complete coverage starting tonight with News 4's John Chandler. He's live at the newest field hospital opening in Manhattan today. John.
That's right, Jen. Behind me, Columbia University has turned its athletics facility complex, and most notably the bubble, into a field hospital. It really is an incredible feat coming together in just about a week. That is one major topic of the day. Of course, classes online here at Columbia, and New York City public school classes closing for the rest of the year. That is something people were even talking about up here, or at least that's what the mayor says. New York City schools will stay closed, definitely, says Mayor de Blasio.
The New York City public schools will remain closed.
Possibly, answers Governor Cuomo.
There's been no decision on schools.
At Columbia University, classrooms are closed, and the soccer field will now open as a field hospital. An oxygen farm pipes directly to bedside, crucial for the 288 COVID patients it will be able to house.
This is a beautiful facility. This is probably nicer than anything I've ever deployed in. And so we are able to take this and run with it and do great patient care.
Colonel Melissa Givens is a military doctor used to field triage overseas. She had recently retired, but felt compelled to rally other military medics to staff this hospital.
You just put out the call that there's Americans that need help, and it was an instantaneous response. They want to help and serve their community.
The field transformed to hospital in under a week. Dr. Laureen Hill has worked in mass casualty situations and knew New York Presbyterian's taxed ICU needs this space for relief.
This whole response and what it's required of all of us in New York and elsewhere, the ability to adapt and innovate is incredible, and it's completely manifest right here.
Governor Cuomo says hospitalizations have plateaued from the apex, but coronavirus remains deadly, taking the lives of nearly 800 New Yorkers in one day.
You can see that the number is somewhat stabilizing, but it is stabilizing at an horrific rate.
It's why New York officials are wary of reopening too soon.
As we enter this new phase of reopen, when do we do it? How do we do it? This person's opinion is here, this person's opinion is here. The best thing we have done to date is we have kept politics out of the discussion.
Well, this field hospital set up behind me, and of course the situation with the schools, another sign that there's still a ways to go in this coronavirus fight. Two more notes from Mayor de Blasio today on the subject of schools. Internet-enabled iPads will be distributed to students who need them by the end of April, and they are looking to put 6,000 homeless into hotels by April 20th. We're live outside Columbia University. I'm John Chandler, News 4 New York.